بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again today in our book. Today we are in page 79, the second part. Okay, still in page 79, the second part. So last time we did al-alif al-saghira or alif al-saghira or al-alif al-maddiyah, and today we are going to do al-ya al-maddiyah. We're going to do al-ya al-maddiyah, the long ya. طيب. So remember we said alif saghira, the symbol is like this one. Okay, the symbol also, okay, it's that one in this one. Just remember the alif saghira. Now this one is for the ya al-maddiyah, al-ya al-maddiyah too. Okay, ya al-maddiyah, the long ya. Okay, this is a ya which is just facing the other side. Okay, ya. Inshallah, make sure you know it's just a ya. Okay, and if you observe carefully, you can see it's making ha long here. Ha, 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 ha. Most of it just makes the ha long. Okay, so he, okay, and it's used to make kasri long, okay, with the ha. طيب, so let's start it. So we have وصاحبتي, he, وصاحبته, وبنيه, وصاحبته وبنيه, وصاحبته وبنيه, وصاحبته وبنيه. طيب, then we have حصادي, he, حصاده, ولا, حصاده ولا. طيب, let's go to the next one. Then we have ثمري, he, ثمره, وما, ثمره وما. Make sure you can hear the he, وما, ثمره وما. طيب, next one here we have وما. Then here lam, it has an alif saghira and a small madda. This is called madda. Okay, we make the hamza or the lam here long. Okay, whenever you see this one, it means the lam is too long, more than the maddu tabi'i, the normal madda, which is just two haraka. So we have wa malaikati, wa malaikati, he, wa malaikatihi, wa rusulihi, wa malaikatihi, wa rusulihi, wa malaikatihi, wa rusulihi, wa malaikatihi, wa rusulihi. طيب, then we have ساعتي, he, ساعته, وكان, ساعته وكان, ساعته وكان. طيب, then we have عبادي, he, عباده وهو, طيب, عباده وهو. Make sure you can see the ya al-maddiyah, the long ya. The first one was the long alif, this second one is the long ya. طيب, let's go to the next one. به, do not say bihi, la, that's wrong. به لقضي, به لقضي. Also here we have bihiwa, bihiwa. Do not say bihiwa, bihiwa. That's wrong. Bihiwa, yuridu, wa yuridu, wa yuridu. Bihi wa yuridu, bihi wa yuridu. Then we have bihi fahuwa, fahuwa, bihi fahuwa, bihi fahuwa. Let's start one more time, then continue. وصاحبته وبنيه, وصاحبته وبنيه. Also here you can say وبنيه, but since we are learning, we're just saying وصاحبته وبنيه. حصاده ولا, حصاده ولا. This is long, and this is long. حصاده ولا, حصاده ولا. ثمره وما, ثمره وما. وملائكته ورسله, وملائكته ورسله. Then we have سعته وكان, سعته وكان. عباده وهو, عباده وهو. Then we have the last one here. We have به لقضي, به لقضي. به ويريد, به ويريد. به فهو, به فهو. طيب إن شاء الله مع السلامة. See you in the next page. Please make sure you know the ألف صغيرة and the ياء المادية, or الألف المادية and the ياء المادية. The long ألف and the long ياء. Okay, this is a ياء which is looking the other way. Inshallah one day you'll know why it's looking the other way. طيب مع السلامة. See you in page 80. Thank you for watching.